Welcome back to my channel and another challenge. This is such a tongue twister for me. Today I am going to be drinking liquid for 24 hours, which means I'm not going to be eating any food for 24 hours. And to start off this challenge, my mom generously made me a pomegranate milkshake. If you're an OG follower of mine, you will know that I drink one fruit milkshake in the morning every day. And also I have a few challenges planned throughout in this challenge, so stay tuned while I finish this. Alright guys, let's drink Happy Fizz. It has a very sweet aftertaste, very sweet. It's okay. I think I'm going to have to survive with a lot of sugar content today because sugar content today because all of this has like tons and tons of sugar. So I think it can keep me going for the day. But I do not know how people go without eating. Now that I'm not eating, I really feel like eating all these snacks. But yeah, let's just get through with this. Guys, I think I'm gonna lose this challenge, man. I don't know. I'm actually feeling really hungry at this point. My mom is talking about nice food. I just ended up watching one food video on YouTube and now I'm really hungry. I'm craving for Golgappa. It's like every time you should not eat something, you always start craving for more. So I got this new thing. This is a paper boat focus, camera focus. Okay, never mind. This is the paper boat Kala Jamun. No, Jamun Kala Khatta. I've never tried this. Never tried this. It looks also very scary. I'm gonna try it now on camera.
And it went like
music.
This tastes like there's turmeric in it.
Not turmeric, yes.
Oh god.
The fruit itself is like that.
It's not nice. It's not nice at all. I mean, don't buy it.
You have bought this, you have to drink. Don't
Yeah,
waste.
I've left a little and I'm gonna use that for another challenge. So I don't think I'm gonna. Oh, mama. Guys, it's honestly not good at all. I mean, this is one of those drinks that I cannot drink. Like, it smells so bad. I do not know about, like, I don't know who likes it. If you are one of them who like it, how do you like this? I honestly thought I will not drink anything, but now that tasted so bad. I really wanted to drink something, so I picked this Sprite up and I'm gonna like drink this and go shoot. The best thing ever. Mostly I'll try making virgin mojito, but I love this. Let's go shoot now. It's already 5:20. Oh my goodness, it's already 5:20. I really need to go now and finish. It's gonna be a basic everyday makeup look. I don't do it every day, but whenever there's a chance for me to do makeup, that's the makeup I do. So if you want to see that, check me out on Instagram. So let's go now. I'm in a hurry. This is the look I created, guys. It's up on my Instagram. I'm not going to promote myself anymore, but I'm still drinking my Sprite and this has been like my only lifesaver. At this point, my mom is making corn and cheese nuggets. Like, my mom always does it from morning. She's trying to get me to eat something. She just wants me to break my challenge, but that's not gonna happen. But I'm gonna have to deal with only this. I think the sugar in this is keeping me going the entire day, but dude, it's so hard to live on just liquid the whole time. Why are you doing this to me, Mama?
If you're having liquid, what can I do? We are feeling hungry.
Guys, I really want to eat this, man. The day I decided to do this challenge, my grandmom sends corn. And I can't even eat it. Like, dude, what the hell, man? This challenge is so shitty. I just finished editing a video and now I'm going to drink some iced tea because that's what I have. This is the Lipton iced tea in the peach variant. Didn't focus? Didn't focus. So I have it in the peach variant and I'm gonna drink this and forget about corn. I don't like doing this, man. I don't like doing this. You're damn disgusting, bro. What has my life come down to? Although this peach flavor iced tea is one of my favorites, but still I haven't eaten anything. This is my stash. And now I'm gonna be doing a crazy challenge, that is mixing. There are 10 drinks behind me, so I'm gonna be mixing these 10 drinks and making one shot. And I have to drink that one shot regardless if it is good or bad, okay? So let's get started. So we're gonna start adding one by one drink into this beaker and then add whatever it is in this into a shot glass and drink that in front of camera, regardless if it's good or no. So I'm gonna start off with thumbs up, then a little more of iced tea. Let's put some Sprite now. Happy Fizz. It's gonna be pathetic, I know. The worst ingredient ever that was gonna go to my... Look at this. Look at this mixture. Camera is not focusing, but okay. It looks so weirdly bad. Coke. Oops, I think I added a little too much. Okay, there's some Mirinda in there. But one is gonna be the Tropicana Apple Delight. I'm gonna add this through the straw. And now I'm adding the last drink, and that is fruity. And this is our solution. This is our whoa, the color just changed from almost pink to like dirty brown. Concoction, is that what you call it? That's what it is. Let me get the shot glass, which is going into this glass. I hope I don't waste any. Whoa, can you see that? How perfect is this? But the color honestly does not look good. It smells very weird, very freaking weird. 3, 2 3, 2, 1, let's go. One of the worst ideas, I guess. It's not good. It's okay-ish. That was bad. That was actually really bad. I've been drinking a lot of carbonated drinks from morning, so I'm gonna start drinking fruity because I don't have anything else to do. It's dinner time. My grandmom's called and there's, I think, some really good food below and I can't eat it.
I can't help but fall in love with you. I can't help but love the way you move. I can't help but try to make you feel the way, make you feel like you deserve to.
Okay, so I'm back here and right now I have some tomato soup which I can't just show. It looks so yum. I'm gonna taste it. My mom made this for the first time. It's too good. It's actually genuinely too good, and my friends are on a video call and they're imitating me, but I'm very hungry. It's 10 o'clock and I got Mountain Dew for myself because that's what we're gonna have to drink, only liquid. Guys, it is 12 o'clock and I am completely out of energy. Like, I'm honestly not kidding you. it's very hard to live without food. Like, it's very, very hard. No matter how many drinks you drink, no matter how many smoothies you drink or soups you drink, you need solid food because it's just not done. Like, I don't know, I can't even speak. I'm fumbling so much because I'm that hungry. But yeah, I'm drinking my milk and I love this cup. It's Keep Calm Se Calm. I got this, I think, a year, no, not even a year ago, I think 2 months, 3 months ago. And now I'm drinking Bournvita because it's my regular routine to drink milk, and that's what I'm doing. It's horrible, man. I'm so hungry. Feels so good to have something in my stomach. It's 2:40, guys. It's 2:42 and I haven't been able to sleep because I am that thirsty and hungry, and more than thirst, I could say I'm really hungry and I don't have any other option but this. I don't want to drink a carbonated juice, so I'm drinking Tropicana Apple Delight right now. It's so... my situation is so bad, I can't even tell you. I feel so pathetic. I am not able to work also properly. I was supposed to upload a video tomorrow morning. I do not know if that's going to happen. But I think this is going to be the last drink of this challenge. I do not plan on drinking anything else anymore. I am sick and tired of drinking. Guys, it's 12:17, which means I've officially finished with this challenge. And I'm so happy. I've got food for me. My god, this is so hard. I really wonder how people on liquid diets go through their entire day, because it's impossible for me. This is so true in my life. At least for one day I cannot do this. Somehow I managed to finish this entire challenge. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video till here. If you watched it till here, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and also guys, please hit the subscribe button and the tiny bell icon next to it so you're notified every time I upload a video. And I'm actually planning to upload fun videos and a mixture of everything, because that's what my life is all about. That's it. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Don't forget to watch all my other videos. I will leave them in the description box. Follow me on my social media, and it's a long awkward intro. Okay, bye guys. Stay home, stay safe, spread positivity, and love everyone. Bye bye.
Every night when you're one call away from being right by my side. Now girl, why don't you stay in me and you talk about it? I ain't ever gonna leave you in, don't you ever doubt it.